what I believe history will record, that America's challenge of today has forged man's destiny of tomorrow. And as we leave as we came, and God willing, as we shall return. Godspeed the crew of Apollo 17.
10, 9, 8, 7, ignition sequence started, all engines are started, we have ignition, 2, 1, 0, we have a liftoff.
17 Houston, you are go for orbit, go for orbit.
America, Houston, this is America. You can breathe easier. America has arrived on station for the challenge ahead. Oh, are we coming in? Oh, baby. Okay, Houston, the Challenger has landed. We'd like to dedicate the first steps of Apollo 17 to all those who made it possible. Oh, my golly. Unbelievable. This has got to be one of the most proud moments of my life, I guarantee you. The words are here man completed his first exploration of the moon. December 1972 AD. May the spirit of peace in which we came be reflected in the lives of all mankind.
When we look back at the Apollo program, I don't think anyone can privately to themselves or publicly say that this truly, indeed, has really been a beginning of man's really first venture out into deep space. And once there's a beginning, there's a continuation. A trip to Mars may not be for 10 years, a decade, it may not be till the end of the century. But I personally have faith that it will happen. And I think that the nature of mankind just press on. That's why I believe we Apollo 17, yes, it's the beginning, but the whole Apollo program is really the true beginning of what's to come in the future. Godspeed and God bless you all.